school students, school policy. To get all the relevant results, you can use the synonyms of these words. So in our example, the final keywords can be digital literacy, media literacy, school students, school policy. Now use connectors or and not to connect keywords, where or is used to connect two or more similar results. So we will write our similar keywords as digital literacy or media literacy, and is used to connect different words, school students and school policy. Not is used to exclude some research from results. In case we get some results that include college students, you can use not as not college students. You can also use truncations to broaden your research. Truncation means using sign of asterisk for searching word stems. In our example, we want our search results contains school policy as well as school policies. So we use it in this way. Now we are ready to search. After combining all above, we come up with this thread that we use to search in database. Here I add the same thread we generate using quotation marks around keywords, which is important only if you add connectors manually. But if you add connector using these options, you don't need to use these signs. Here I am using education source database. You can choose any or all the database from these options. Here we get a large number of results. You can narrow down these by using source filter or year filter here. This is how you can get reliable and credible sources using databases. Sometimes you need to use data or information from the websites or other sources that are only accessible through search engines. To check the credibility of those sources or even the sources you find through databases that are not reviewed, you can use the CRAP test. The CRAP is an acronym where C stands for currency that checks the timeline of the information. That is, when was the information published or posted? Has the information been revised or updated? Is the information current or out of date for your topic? Are the links functional? R stands for relevance, that checks if the intended audience is mentioned, how much information is presented. Does it provide superficial treatment or deep analysis? First A stands for authority, that considers who is the author, publisher or sponsor. Are the author's credential or organization
Created using Powtoon.